Hey there and welcome to a new video. This is the third video. Hey there and welcome to a new video. This is the third video in the series solving SQL challenge, that is the SQL screening interview questions. So in this video also we are given one table and we will be asked to solve multiple questions on a single table. And the intent behind this series of video is to solve maximum number of questions in a single video and to cover a lot of concept in a single video. So here we are given a table called as products table. So using the products table, we have to solve the five questions. The first question is to write a query to find the product in each category that has the highest price within its category. The second question is to write a query to list the name of product where the price is greater than the average price of all products. Third question is to write a query to show the total stock quantity available for each category, but only for those categories where total stock is greater than 200. So it will be 200. Now the fourth question is to write a query to find the highest priced product across all categories. Now finally the fifth question is to write a query to find the categories where the average price of product is greater than 200 and show the category name along with its average price. So that is the fifth question. So for this, we are going to create a table which is the products table, which has got product ID, which will be the primary key, product name, which will be of variable character data type, then category again will be of variable character data type, then price, which is of decimal. Now there is another column which is the stock quantity with respect to each product and category. Now into this particular table, we are inserting few records so then we can write the query on the particular table. In some cases, there won't be any insert statement which will be provided, but instead only the schema of the table will be available. In that case, we'll have to imagine different scenarios that can arise within the input table, and based on that we'll have to write query in a scalable manner. So here we have already created the table, that is the products table. Let us query the table and then we will start writing the query. So here is the products table which has got product id, which is the primary key, product name, corresponding category, price, and the stock quantity which is available for that particular category and product. Now, the first question is to write a query to find the products in each category that has the highest price within its category. So, here we will start writing query to obtain the output. So, we will start with select star. Now, this is taken from the table products. Now, here we are going to make use of the max aggregate function as an analytical function. So, max of open and close parenthesis. Here the argument will be price, because based on the price column we have to find the product. We will write an over clause, over open and close parenthesis, and within each category we have to find the product in each category that has the highest price. So here we will write a partition based on the category column, that is partition by category, and this column we will name as highest price. Now execute this query and we will get an additional column which is the highest price column. Execute, and we have an additional column which is created, that is the highest price column. Now we will compare the highest price column and price column for every product id. So the first query we will place inside a CTE, that is with t1 as open and close parenthesis select star from t1. Now write the where clause, where price equal to highest price, highest underscore price. Only records which satisfy the condition, that is price equal to highest price, will be available in the result. Execute, and now we can see that we have only product and category corresponding to which price is equal to highest price. Now we have to only find the product or products. So we will modify the query, that is instead of star we will modify distinct product name, product underscore, there is no underscore, it is product name. Now execute and we will get product which are having highest price within its category. So within its category meaning we will have to get the category also. So comma category, execute, and we will get the product and category corresponding to which it is having the highest price within each category. So here in the category electronics, gaming laptop is the product which is having the highest price. Similarly, in furniture, it is the sofa which is having the highest price, and in home appliances, it is the air purifier that is having the highest price. So that is the solution to first question. Now moving on to the second question, we have to write a query to list the name of product where the price is greater than the average price of all products. So here again we will execute the select star from products table. Now here we have to make use of the table to get the list of products where the price is greater than average price of all product. So here also we are going to make use of the aggregate function but as an analytical function. So we will write a select star comma taken from products table. Now here we will make use of the aggregate function average of open and close parenthesis, and within the parenthesis price will be the expression, and here over open and close parenthesis, here we don't have to specify any partition or order by clause because we have to consider the entire price records which are available within the input table, that is the products table. Now this is average price. Now execute and we will get a new column with the average price within the entire table, that is the average price when we take the price of all the product available in the input products table. Now we will place the first query within CT, that is with T1 as open and close parenthesis, and now we have to get the list of products where the price is greater than the average price of all product. So here also we will have to write a condition within the where clause, that is select star from T1 where price greater than average price. Now execute and we will get record which satisfy the specific condition. These are the records which are satisfying the condition, that is price should be greater than the average price across the entire products. Now we require only product name. So what we will do here is instead of star we will write product name. Product name. Execute and we will get the product corresponding to which it is having highest price corresponding to which is, and we will get the products corresponding to which it is having price greater than the average price of all product. So here is the products which are gaming laptop, standing desk, recliner sofa and and smartphone, which are having greater price compared to the average price across the entire products table. Now moving on to the third question, we have to write a query to show the total stock quantity available for each category, but only for those categories where total stock is greater than 200. So we will again make use of the products table. Here we will make use of the stock quantity column and the category column. So we will write select. The first column which we require will be the category column, category, comma. Now we are going to use the aggregate function sum of the total stock quantity as total quantity, and this is taken from products table group by category. Execute and we will get the total stock quantity with respect to each category. Execute, and these are the total quantity or the total stock quantity with respect to each category. Now there is one more condition given, that is only for those categories where total stock is greater than 200. So here we will write a having clause, having sum of stock quantity greater than 200. Now our expected output should only contain category electronics and total quantity 455. Let us execute and see if we are getting the correct result. Execute this query. Now we are getting category as electronics and the corresponding total quantity which is greater than 200. So this is the solution to third question. Now moving on to fourth question, we will have to write a query to find the highest priced product across all categories. So again we will write a select star to see the schema and then to write the query, because once we know the schema it is very easy to convert that into required queries. So select star from product and we have the products table. Now from this table we have to find the highest priced product across all category. So we have to make use of the product table and we have to use the product name column, category column and price column to get the output. So we will start with select star comma taken from products table, and here we are going to make use of the dense rank function. Dense underscore rank, open and close parenthesis, over, and here there won't be any partition because in the question it is given we have to find the highest priced product across all categories. So respective of categories we have to find the highest priced product. So here there won't be any partition, there will only be an order by clause, that is order by price, which will be in descending order, and this will be flag column. We will name the column as flag, execute, and we will get a new column, that is the flag column. Now we will place the first query within a CTE, that is with t1 as open and close parenthesis, select star from t1, write a where condition, that is where flag equal 1, execute, and we will get the record where flag equal to 1, that is rank equal to 1 when looking at the price column. And now we have the output where we have product name is gaming laptop. So we can say that gaming laptop is the product which is having highest price within the entire product table irrespective of categories. So this is the solution to fourth question. Now moving on to fifth question, we have to write a query to find the categories where the average price of product is greater than 200 and show the category name along with its average price. So from the products table, we have to find the average price within each category, and then we have to filter the result based on the condition that is given, and also display the category name along with its average price. So we will start with select star comma, and now we have to calculate the average price for each category. So we will make use of the average analytical function. It will be price over open and close parenthesis, write a partition which is based on the category column, partition by category as average price. Now this is taken from the products table, that is from products table, execute, and we will get a new column, but we will have to modify the query a little bit because we require only category and average price. So we will write a distinct category over here, distinct category, and we will get the category and average price for each category. This category, execute this query, and we have the category and average price. Now we only require category where average price is greater than 200. So here with t1 as we will make use of the CTE concept, select star from t1 where average price is greater than 200, greater than 200. Now execute, and we will get the result where we have category and average price where average price is greater than 200. So these are the two conditions where average price is greater than 200 for the categories. Even we don't have to make use of the concept of analytical function here to get the output. We could have wrote the query only using aggregate function. I will show you that also. So we'll write a select. The first column will be category, comma. Now we will make use of the aggregate function average. Average of price, open and close parenthesis as average price. Now write a from clause from the table products. Products, write a group by clause. Group by the column category, execute, and we will get the average price with respect to each category. So these are the records. Now simply write a having clause, that is having average price greater than 200. Execute, and we should be getting the exact same result which we saw in the previous query. Execute, and we have the result which we saw in the previous query also. That is the solution using aggregate function as an analytical function. Here we made use of the aggregate function as a simple aggregate function and obtained the output. Similarly, we could have used multiple methods to solve the 5 questions in more different ways. So these are my solutions. If you have more interesting solution, you can comment the solution and it will be helpful for others also. The DDL and DML to create the table will be available in the description. You can use that to create the table. If you like this video, check out our channel for more advanced SQL interview question and other interesting contents in analytics. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Thank you.